Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. In this video, we're going to be working out odds in favor versus odds against an event. So these are two different ways you can also see probabilities. So suppose P of E, this is the probability of an event happening, and PE prime, that's the probability of E not happening. So that's the complement of the event E. Now we want to compare their ratios. So if you set odds in favor, then you're talking about what are the ratios of E happening to E not happening. So pretty much we're comparing the ratios of the favorable chances to unfavorable. So you can say favorable chances to unfavorable chances. Or you can think of it as what's the probability of this happening to probability of it not happening. And so as odd against an event E, so you compare these ratios, so probability of E not happening to probability of E happening. So you can also remember this one as unfavorable chances versus favorable chances. So these are two different ways we can also express probability. Now let me show you these ideas with an example. Here is a nice example. If the odds that a package will be delivered on time are 17 to 3, find the probability that the package will not be delivered on time. So let's take a look at what's going on here. So this is odds that it will delivered, right? So this is delivered on time. So favoring this event, it's going to be 17 to 3. So 17, you can think of this as your favorable chances, and 3 is unfavorable. So let's call it favorable chances for this one. This is unfavorable. So that means the probability that the package will be delivered on time, the probability that's going to be delivered on time. So we're not really answering the question, we're just doing a little extra. It's going to be 17 over favorable chances plus unfavorable chances. So that's 17 plus 3. That would be 17 over 30. I'm sorry, that's 20. So that's the probability it will be delivered on time. So we got that just by looking at the odds favoring this event. But we're not interested in that event. We want to know what is the probability the package will not be delivered. So what's the probability they will not be delivered? So we're looking at the complement of the event that we looked at. So this would be, so it'll be unfavorable chances. So that's 3 over 17 plus 3. So that would be 3 over 20. So that's the probability that it will not be delivered on time. Another way to look at it is to use the complement event. So for example, if you know that the probability of delivering on time is 17 over 20. So, or you can think of probability of not delivered on time is 1 minus probability that it is going to be delivered on time. So that's going to give us 1 minus 17 over 20, which will be 3 over 20. So another way to look at the same problem. Here we have another example. If the odds against a particular horse winning are 7 to 3. So here you have odds against winning. That's going to be 7 to 3. So you have a 7 to 3 ratio for odd against winning. So that means this is unfavorable and this is favorable. So it's a little bit of opposite of what we did before, where we had odds favoring the event. Here odd against winning this event. So this is our event, and now we want to say what is the probability that the horse will win the race. Okay, so we know that the probability it's not going to win, so not winning, that's going to be unfavorable. So that's 7 over 7 plus 3. That's 7 over 10. So that's a probability of not winning. And now we can answer the question, what's the probability it's going to win? So the probability of winning, it's going to be, so you can look at favorable chances. So that's 3 out of 7 plus 3. Or you can say this is 3 over 10. That's the probability of winning. Or you can use the complement like we did for previous problem. We can think about 1 minus probability of not winning. So that would give us 1 minus 7 over 10, and that would be, again, 3 over 10. This is a problem. They're really two different ways to do it, whichever way you prefer. All right, so I hope this helps. I will see you next time. Take care.